Welcome, and thank you for saying yes to this Rooted in the Unknown journey. You've already done the most important part, choosing to show up for yourself. This is your time, your space to reconnect with your inner wisdom, your grounding, your clarity. Over the next 7 days, you'll be guided through a simple, powerful process: breath, visualization, reflection, and action. Each day builds upon the last, gently helping you feel more rooted, more clear, and more aligned, even when life feels uncertain or in transition. This is not about fixing anything. It's not about achieving some perfect state. It's about creating space within yourself to breathe, to listen, to trust, to move forward with grace. There is no right or wrong way to experience this journey. You may have days where insights flow easily. You may have days where simply showing up is the win. All of it is welcome. All of it is enough. To get the most from this experience, we encourage you to create a supportive environment for each daily session. Here are some simple ways to do that. Choose a space where you won't be interrupted. Even 15 to 30 minutes is enough. Clear the space, physically and energetically. You might light a candle or burn incense or sage, or simply tidy the area. Gather what you need: the Rooted in the Unknown workbook, or your favorite journal, a pen or pencil, any grounding object you enjoy, like a crystal, a cozy blanket, a cup of tea, whatever helps you feel safe and present. Silence notifications on your devices. Give yourself this uninterrupted time. If you enjoy music or scent, you might play gentle background sounds or diffuse essential oils. Remember, this is your sacred space. There's no perfect setup. Simply create what feels good to you. Each day, you'll have a guided audio, about 6 to 8 minutes or so, to listen to first. Space to journal using the reflection prompts provided, or whatever arises for you. If you only have 15 minutes, that's okay. If you have 30 minutes, even better. The key is consistent presence. Just show up each day and trust the process. Finally, we invite you to approach this journey with curiosity and compassion. You don't need to get it right. You don't need to feel a certain way. Simply arrive each day with an open heart and a willingness to explore. You are exactly where you need to be, and this journey will meet you right there. So take a moment now, prepare your space, gather your items, set your intention, and when you're ready, begin day one. We are honored to walk this journey with you, and we'll meet you there in the present moment.